Got the Carex bedside rails for my mom who's getting up in age and needs some extra assistance getting in and out of bed. She's going to love these. I already love these because they're so easy to put together. You only need a screwdriver and a few simple steps, and you're done. These are great for elderly people, those recovering from surgery, or disabled people, and even small children who need additional support at bedtime, entering and exiting the bed. It even prevents them from falling out of bed, too. The rails adjust from 32 to 44 inches in height, and they work with twin, full, queen, or king-size beds on the left or right sides. A safety strap loops around the rail and connects to the bed frame. These bedside rails even have a removable mesh pouch to keep personal items like glasses or a book at your fingertips. These rails are truly an excellent mobility solution. This is going to give my mom a lot more confidence getting in and out of bed.